If your glue pulls aren't as strong and consistent as you want, the difference comes down to prep and tools. Here's how to nail it every single time. Warm up your glue gun about 5 minutes before you're ready to use it. I like to plug mine in as soon as I get there so it's ready when I am. Panel prep is everything. First, clean off any dirt and debris so you can see the crowns and problem spots. Then, wipe the area with alcohol and flash it with a heat gun or torch to remove any humidity. Select the tab or tabs shape and size best matches the dent. A good fit gives you a cleaner, more controlled pull. Heat the panel and the tab to around 120 degrees and then let them cool to around 80 to 83 for the ideal glue performance. Apply the glue across the entire tab surface. If you're going to make a mistake, use too much glue, not too little. Press the tab gently in and let it set up and then pull. The right tab, the right match, the right temp, and the right products built to last gives you faster, cleaner results. That's the Cam Auto difference.